Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and it is very windy today. A cold front is coming through. It's finally starting to feel like fall. So let's go ahead and do our fall garden update number 2. Here we go. All right, first up we've got our kale. It really hasn't grown a ton since the last update, but it's making progress. Same with our cabbage, not a whole lot going on. This one has a ton of bug damage. I planted this back in the summer, so it may not do anything. That's okay. Here's our cabbage starts that we had from the local community garden. It's starting to get a few more leaves. I really need to get in here and thin out all of this green type veggies. I've got like arugula and bok choy and tatsoi and things like that. Our lettuce is looking nice and healthy. Here's some more cabbage. And then here's more lettuce. Our spinach is really getting pretty tall. And then we had some starts of spinach, and then I started some from seed in this bucket. So they're still doing great. Over here in our herb bed, we have tons of cilantro growing. We have, this is the one I messed up on. So in here I have cilantro and radishes because I forgot I had already planted radishes in there. More cilantro growing next to our basil. And then, oh my goodness, look at that. Our eggplant has a flower. You know, it's only September 21st. But then we've got radishes intermixed in there. And radishes with a squirrel hole right there. Look at our sugar snap peas, you guys. All of them are doing so well. I'm gonna have to harvest some soon for just pea shoots and have them in a salad and then hope that they start climbing up the trellis here. I also have pea shoots here. Look what I just saw. There is a watermelon growing in here. Oh my gosh. You guys, I have a watermelon. This is amazing. Let's check out our, what I think to be an okra plant. It's not really doing anything, but our beans are getting so big. Look at these beans and these beans. And I didn't film this, but I planted some cauliflower, two different kinds. I had like a white cauliflower and a yellow cauliflower that I planted over here. And this one's kind of struggling. It might just be in a little bit of shock. Uh-oh. Something is getting into my tomatillos. I'm gonna take that inside. Maybe it just fell off because it was so windy today, but I don't know. It's like 3 buckets over. Oh my gosh, I have tomatoes and more tomatoes. I have more tomatillos. Ooh, that one feels, I'm gonna let them keep going. They are a little hollow. You're supposed to pick tomatillos when they kind of fill out this paper coating. I am gonna pick this tomato. I'll leave the peel here because you can see it split, so it's not gonna get any better. But I do have lots of green tomatoes on the vines, so that's exciting, and I have a lot of flowers coming on this one. It might have time to keep going. Look at all the green tomatoes on this one, you guys. It's finally doing stuff. Our cayenne peppers are doing nicely. Our cherry hot peppers are doing pretty well. I have some more cherry sweet peppers over there. Another tomato. Oh my goodness. Some more peppers that oh, look at all the shishito peppers. Look at that. Okay, now here are our carrots. I do need to come and thin these out so that they don't compete with one another. But I have carrots growing there and there. The carrots on the end are doing stuff. Again, I need to come thin them out. Over here, my kumquat tree has all of these little baby fruits on them. I don't know if I have time for them to grow, but I'm sure gonna let them do their thing. Here's my lemon. It's still trying. I've got some funky shaped tomatoes. More green tomatoes in there. More yard-long beans. Look at that. I just picked some like 2 days ago and these were not here. Maybe they were and they were just small, but they grow so fast. And it's really starting to climb the archway, which is so fun. So I'm gonna have to harvest some of these too. Like, seriously, look how long these are. That's amazing. Oh my gosh! My first dahlia is blooming. This is gorgeous. They have been doing nothing all summer and they finally have flower buds, and look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. This one, yep, there's a bud there. I might get some dahlias too. My zinnias, you know, we talked about this. I don't know how to say it, but they are about done. I keep cutting them because they're fun in my kitchen. The habanero plant has a few flowers, but I don't think it's gonna be able to do anything. Uh-oh, somebody had a snack. So I'm gonna take that out and throw it out. Oh, but I'm gonna pick a few of these. Ooh, that one's kind of yucky. But we'll pick, oops, I gotta eat that one. Look at all these strawberries in here. Here is my bell pepper, and I just saw this one's getting a teeny tiny one. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. More tomatoes. Some more strawberries over here. This one really, for how big and bushy it is, it really hasn't produced a ton. Oh my gosh, but look at that. Oh, there's a little bee. Oh my gosh. The rest of the berry bushes, oh my gosh, look at this. I am getting berries finally. Look at that. So thanks for joining me on this very short garden tour on this very fall feeling day. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You know, subscribe, do all the things, and I hope to see you guys very soon, hopefully for a small harvest. Thanks guys. Bye.